Jai Hind children. In this video, we will discuss a question of forfeiture of shares. And in this question, we will prepare share forfeiture account. So let us discuss the question first. The question says Lily Limited forfeited 100 shares of 10 each, okay, which were issued at 10% premium. It means 1 rupee premium. And rupees 8 called up, fine. It means the issue is not fully called, on which a shareholder did not pay rupees 3 of allotment, which is including premium. 1 rupee per premium, it means 2 rupee for share capital, he has not paid. In the first call of rupees 2. Done. Out of these, 60 shares were reissued to Ram as fully paid for rupees 8 per share, and 20 shares to Suraj as fully paid up at the rate rupees 12. It means for 2 rupees SPR, and the shares, 60 shares which were issued to Ram are issued at rupees 8. It means at a loss of rupees 2 per share. क्योंकि एक share 10 रुपए का है. And now we have to prepare share forfeiture account in this question. So first of all, the issue is called only up to rupees 8. So let us find the amount of application. As you can see on the screen, allotment is for rupees 2 plus 1. It means 2 for capital, 1 for premium, and first call is for rupees 2, and total should be 8. It means application amount is rupees, yes, 4. Okay, so application is for rupees 4. Now 100 shares forfeited. 100 share forfeited, and only application amount is paid. So it's very simple calculation, children. 100 multiplied by 4 is equals to 400 rupees credited to which account? Share, actually for forfeited account. Okay, so 400 rupees credited to share forfeited account. So we will get the first, let us write particulars, and then amount, again, and then again amount. Okay, so we get the first entry done, a posting done into our ledger, that is by share capital account. How much amount is transferred to credited to share forfeiture account? That is rupees 400. कैसे आया ये figure? 100 shares, only 4 rupees is paid of application because allotment is not paid. So only 4 rupees paid. So total 400 rupees credited to which account? Share forfeiture account. Done. Okay. Now, after that, how many shares were reissued? 60 shares reissued. ओके कितने शेयर रीइश्यू हो रहे हैं भाई 60 शेयर्स रीइश्यू हो रहे हैं एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो एट द रेट ऑफ रुपीज 8 पर शेयर इट मीन्स देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ रुपीज 2 isn't it? So as per this 120 rupees will be used from the share capital or share forfeiture account. Done. अच्छा अब बात आती है 60 shares multiplied by rupees 4. So total amount in share forfeiture for 60 shares is 240. And if we subtract 120 rupees out of it, then we'll get 120 rupees. Okay, matlab 240 rupees is actually forfeited amount on 60 shares, out of which 120 rupees is used on reissue. So balance is left, that is 120, which will be transferred to where? Yes, capital reserve. So we get 2 points of posting in ledger of share forfeiture, that the first 120 rupees are used for what? For reissue. So share capital account, and the amount is how much amount? Yes, 120 rupees. Now the next is to capital reserve, and amount is again 120. That is also transferred to capital reserve. Okay, now the next calculation, as you can see, 20 shares are issued at rupees 12 per share. It means there is no loss on reissue. So how much amount of 20 shares are there into share forfeiture account? That is rupees 80. So there is no loss. So this amount will also be transferred to which account? Yes, capital reserve. Okay. So again, we'll have one more posting to capital reserve. And how much amount is transferred, children? 80 rupees of 20 forfeited shares are transferred to capital reserve. Okay. Now, 400 rupees at the credit side, out of which we have settled 320 rupees. So what's the balance? Balance carried down is what? Balance carried down is rupees 80. Okay, now let us get this figure. Out of 100 forfeited share, 60 were reissued, then 20 were reissued. So how many shares are left? That is 20 shares are left. Okay, 20 shares are left to reissue. So on 20 shares, forfeited amount is equals to 80. So that is what? Balance in share forfeiture account. So here's a balance. Now the total of the ledger, this side also 400 and this side also 400. These simple questions can come for 4 marks, or yes, definitely this question can come for 4 marks, 4 marks in your exam. So you need to practice these kind of short questions. I hope you understood the question. That's all for this video, and we will solve some more problems of the same type in another videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.